Jamaica Pegasus Hotel, total life changes, took it to Jamaica. We take it big, right? So we didn't do anything small. We went all out, we went big. So pretty much what this opportunity is about, guys, we are just changing lives. How do we do that? By you living a healthy lifestyle and get paid to do that. Now tell me, who out there would love to live a healthy lifestyle by pretty much consuming health products and get paid to do that? That's pretty much what we're about. And guys, let me tell you something. We are taking Jamaica to the next level. So if you are out there and you would like an extra stream of income, you definitely need to hit me up. My Instagram page is Venice the Motivator. On Instagram, you're going to click the link tree in my bio and you're going to go and sign up with me. Otherwise, you can send me a DM and I'll be happy to assist you. So listen, when I tell you we are taking Jamaica to the next level and we're talking about US dollar earnings, guys, listen, you have to bet on yourself. And today, our event's title was Get Money Experience. The Get Money Experience 2020 taught us all a whole lot. You know what? I actually joined this opportunity in 2020 and my entire life has changed. So I'm about to change some lives. So if you're with me, hit me up. And my coach flew in, private jet style, right out of Florida, and she's here, Honorable Boss Lady Meeks, okay?
Yes. Then you are absolutely amazing. So listen, I'm keeping it short and sweet. I want to tell you, don't count yourself out, count yourself in, because listen, we're going to take Jamaica by storm. We are definitely looking for you, and it's all about digital currency. So position yourself, and it's all about timing. Total life changes.